again brief you.
Tnat Directorate of Arts and Culture Jong Meghalaya Pyllait Paidbah Yaka the Umbrella Project kabadai ke residential theatre workshop na kabenta ki baduna ha kabor yosngo but ki bomla ban kren na kabenta sans ngi lenter belatip kum ke chapter 3 unlocking the power of expression. Yaka ni ke program lapan long Haferando Speech and Hearing Center Nyok Kwan Riboy District hakas ngi Ningkong. Director Jong Tnat Arts and Culture Diki Dishira ulai shimbenta kaniga sngi kumukongsan. Ushira ulapan light Paidbah ru ya kaniga program ban penyas no ya baro ki ting shop bat ki puron na ke baro ke ke Jylla ha ke ban lum lang ya baro ki riu tebet na baro ki district.
This program was first conceptualized in the year 2019. The idea was to bring together all the art forms and artists under one umbrella and then bring them to one place. I mean the theatre artists, actors from all over the states, from all the districts in one place, and then let them mingle with local talents. We'll invite the local talents and together they'll share their experiences and then they can learn from one another. So that platform will be giving under this project, and then we'll engage resource persons, experts in this field.